Hello, my name is Michael Dill. I'm president and GM of a plus $300 million aerospace company on the West Coast, primarily dealing with engine components for both military and commercial. I've been in aerospace for 25 years. Prior to that, I worked in the chemical industry and the textile industry on the East Coast. So the decision to outsource maintenance was a difficult decision, and I imagine it's a difficult decision for everybody. So I'll give you a little bit about my background. Came in a different role into this current company, and we had a large business here on the West Coast that was failing. Well behind in orders, almost $100 million at that time in potential business being lost, probably $75 million in past due arrears to our customers. A lot of old equipment. We were undercapitalized for a number of years. That contributed to the issue. And stepping into the site, this was a project that the local team had been working on and pondering for a number of weeks, if not months. For me, I looked at the totality of what we needed to do from a transformation, and it was multifaceted, right? We needed a planning system. We needed to improve the talent. We had a host of problems, not atypical for any type of complex aerospace manufacturing site or other industry. We were trying to go from a very underperforming plant with a lot of growth potential that we could not capitalize on, and we had to go attack this from multi-sides. So for me, it was, if we have a good alternative where we can go offload some of this load and work in a partnership with someone, it made sense for the timing that we needed to go show significant improvement. I looked at the data, looked at the proposals, met with the leadership of KRC, liked everything I saw. You know, within a matter of several days, we made the decision, got it approved, and here we are, probably two years later. This has been a 99.9% positive road. Very minimal issues have come up once we made this decision to go forward, and they were always handled very quickly. In that first year, we reduced machine downtime by 70%. Now look, someone could probably tell you that, you know, we got enough sharp enough people, if we focused the time on it, maybe we could have did the same thing. Not when we were doing a transformation and running the entire business. So it was a welcome, real professional approach, using what used to be our resources in the beginning, and then building on top of that, that KRC came in. And in a matter of 3-4 months, we're already winning over all the biggest naysayers. Now, we have had some difficult problems, right? Everything's not a simple maintenance issue. That's why I think KRC, that's really where they bring a lot more to the table with their machine building experience and background. They have a lot of resources. For instance, we had one EB weld machine. We operate several. It's a big part of what we do and the product that we supply to the engine manufacturers and the product that we build. That machine was declared dead by no less than 20 people. We couldn't declare it dead because I had no alternative in the short term, because it would have taken a year to get another EB weld machine in of that size and capability to do the parts that we were doing. The leadership, Darren Levac, came in and said, look, let us take a shot at it, right? So I'm going to tell you, that's the worst case, right? Everyone else would have ran screaming from that type of a situation. Darren says, we'll give it our best shot. They actually brought in experts that had been retired for 20 years. They scoured the earth, found parts on eBay, brought them in, had experts that used to build these parts for a living come back to the table, rebuild some of them for us, get it all back up and running. The bet was going around the leadership team, this thing would never live. It was named Frankenstein. It was called all kind of names. I became the only one inside the business that believed that our maintenance team was going to get it back up and running. I won the bet. So they did. It's running today. That's what not many people can do. So a lot of good benefits. Customer service is there, which is bringing in additional business. The profitability is there, which allows us to go after new and more exciting capital as we expand and grow the business.